Hey, it's me, Martin, and this super good looking, fast and long range electric bike is the Feedoo D11. And in this video I want to share with you what to expect from the unboxing and what my first impressions are of this super interesting and good looking electric bike. So let's get started. In the last 12 months I've tested many electric bicycles, including the Feedoo D2S and the M1. Click over here if you want to check them out. And they were both great. So when I saw Feedoo's latest electric bike being launched on Indiegogo way back in June 2020, I couldn't help myself to get my hands on one. Therefore a quick shout out to geekbuying.com because they helped me to get a D11 even during the campaign, which is pretty amazing. So a link will be available in the video's description, so make sure you check them out. The bike arrives in this box and Geek Buying ships it from one of their EU warehouses, which is pretty handy when you live in Europe as it arrives duty free. So the first thing you find is this small box, and that contains some Allen keys, a wrench, cable, charger and a user manual. In the box we also find the pedals, the seat that has a battery built into it, pretty genius if you ask me, and then finally the bike itself. The electric bike is pretty much assembled. The only thing that you have to install are the pedals. You have to slide in the seat post and connect the cable, and that is pretty much it. In less than 5 minutes your bike is good to go. It's not only the design that I'm really attracted to, it's also some of the specifications that are definitely worth mentioning. Namely the 40 to 50 kilometers of range in the full electric mode, and other than that, a 250 watt motor, the weight which is 18 kilograms, Shimano gears, 36 volt and 11.6 amp hour battery, and the possibility to fold the bike. After the unboxing I took it for a quick spin and I can share so far that it's really fun, comfortable and enjoyable to ride. And therefore there are a few highlights that I can share with you. The motor offers a speed of up to 25 kilometers per hour and it achieves that easily. The torque and acceleration also feels more than fine. The 3 modes work perfect. In this pure electric mode you don't have to pedal along and it is really relaxing. The power assisted mode gives you a small boost while pedaling, and the cycling mode means that everything is turned off and you can still bike. The battery allows on paper a 30 to 60 kilometers range in the pure electric mode and between 80 to 100 kilometers range by the power assisted mode, which I cannot comment on at the moment, but I will cover it in depth in the full review. As mentioned before, the seat height is adjustable, meaning that it can suit different riders. And I can easily fit on the bike with my 1.88 meters, but at the same time my girlfriend as well. The aluminum alloy construction feels really durable and I felt safe while riding it. And that's also because now there's a taillight included, besides the super bright LED headlight. I also felt safe because of the dual disc brakes in both front and rear wheels. Second to last point, within a couple of seconds it is folded and therefore super easy to transport in the trunk of your car. But I have to say as well that it will not fit in all cars. According to Feedoo, they also passed the RoHS and the CE verification, so it's a safe product meant for sale in the EU. Just like my other videos, this one was scheduled, and 2 weeks after this video goes live, my full review will come online, so if you have any questions, drop them down below. I would love to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing so you won't miss out the full review. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see all of you in the next one.